Hi, I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and I want to talk to you for a moment about credit repair. And oftentimes when I'm talking to clients, they are applying for a mortgage. Sometimes they're having credit questions, and they ask me, Marcel, is it worth it to actually go through a credit repair company? And the answer is maybe, and let me kind of explain. One of the first things I do whenever people ask me about credit repair is I ask them, how important is it to you on a scale of 1 to 10 to own a home? And you really have to think deeply about this because credit repair will cost you some money. And so if on a scale of 1 to 10, your interest or level of commitment in buying a home is only a 5 or 6, more than likely you're not going to do the things that are necessary in order to improve your credit. And so in that circumstance, I would tell you to probably not talk to a credit repair company. However, if you really do have an interest, a heartfelt interest in owning a home, and you really do want to do that, a credit repair company can certainly assist you in doing that. Lots of people have erroneous information on their credit reports that sometimes will pull their credit scores down. Credit repair companies are great for helping with that. However, if they are cleaning things up and all the meantime there are additional negative accounts that pop up, literally it's going to end up having no impact on your credit score. You're not going to end up seeing that increase that you're looking for. I oftentimes equate it to someone who is wanting to go to the gym. I can actually help you find some of the best trainers in all of the area that can really help you work out, get everything taken care of and squared away in the gym. However, if you go home every night and you eat pizza, you eat ice cream, you eat all of the wrong foods, it doesn't matter what is going on in the gym because you're still doing the activities that are going to end up pulling you down. Same thing with credit repair. You can certainly work on credit repair and get some things improved, but if you're putting more negatives on your credit report, it's going to end up being for naught. In any case, I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate. Just give me a call with any questions, 972-672-3246, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.